Hi class, welcome to my Milestone 3 presentation. Here I'm going to be walking you through the changes that I made from Milestone 2, changing it from a simple console application where everything takes place within the code to now creating a menu for a user to potentially use to manipulate the data within the address book. So the way I've set this up is the first thing that happens is it prints out all the menu options. And then it sets a boolean of stop equal to false, and then it runs a while loop so that the user can continue to loop through the options, and it doesn't terminate after they, let's say they display a user, it doesn't terminate. It allows them to maybe change the name of the user or just continue working with the code without terminating and having to restart the code. And then here I have, here's the scanner, and then it takes their choice in, and I've chosen to implement this with a switch rather than if and if else statements, because when there's 6 statements I figured a case makes more sense. It's a little bit cleaner and doesn't take up as much room. And so let me jump right in and show you how it works. So we'll start off with option 1. We will add a new contact. It asks you if you want to add a person contact or a business contact. I will start off by adding a person contact. I will add my own name in there, and now I'll add another contact. This time it'll be a business contact. Add another person in there, and now I will show all contacts by pressing 2. It displays the names of all the contacts. Now I want to show contacts by ID number, and they correspond. The ID number increments 1 with each new contact added. So I will add. So I will display. Let's see. I'll display Jeff. There we go. I could try it again. This time I'll display the other Jeff, but this time Jeff Jones. There we go. So that's how the showing contact by ID number works. And then now let's try and edit a contact by the ID number. So that's menu option 4, and now I enter the contact ID, and let's say I want to edit Jeff Michaels. Let me change his name to Jeffrey Jackson. And now let me display, here we go, I'll just show all contacts. And there we go, we see that his name changed to Jeffrey Jackson. And then let's see, what's our next? Oh, we'll do 5. This will let us search by the either the contact ID or the name. So we will search by ID. Contact 1, there we go, it shows Jeffrey Jackson. And now we will search by string, and it shows the contact based off of his name. And now for the final option, which is 6, you see this little red stop button here. When we press 6, it should terminate the program, and there we go. Program closed gives you a little message. So that's my presentation for my Milestone 3. I think it's coming along nicely, and added in the menu options, so now it's a little bit more user-friendly rather than having to search through the code to do all the manipulations. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.